dry skin, flaky skin, dehydrated skin, dull skin. Let's leave all of that in 2025, please. If you know me, then you know that I'm a sucker for quality, affordable Korean skincare products. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you all of the products that I will be using in 2026. Alright, so I'm gonna be starting with this pair, and this is Luminous Snail Moisture Cream by McGregor. So this is very helpful for people who have dull skin. If you have very dull and flaky skin, this is your solution. And pairing it with this premium essence as well. If you are a Korean skincare lover or a skincare lover, then you know that mucins are very, very helpful for your face, for your body, because it helps with hydration. Snail 98 Mucin Premium Essence. Going to be using this as well. So yes, this is very good. I'm going to be using this. So this pair, so because of my combination skin, I don't use so much of this on my face, but I use on my body, my shoulders, neck and arm areas. So this is very, very perfect. And the next is also from McGregor, and this is Licorice Vitamin C Balancing Toner. So this is good for brightening, calming the skin, reducing pigmentation and clearing acne. Licorice is very good for the skin, vitamin C. And next, in no particular order, is Kojic C. This is gold. This is gold. I've used this before, happy to use it again in 2026. So this is Skin Lightening Soap by McGregor as well. This is not a paid ad. You're not paying me for this. This is just what I use, and they're good for me, and I thought to just share what I am using. This is a Velvet Cleansing Gel by Derma Bijou. This is by Liu and Lei, and it's also a Korean product, and it's a very good body wash. This also, you know what is called velvet? This literally makes your skin feel like velvet. So this is really lovely, and it's good for moisturizing the skin and, you know, soothing and intensive dry skin. If you're the type that takes a bath and your body feels dry afterwards, this is helpful. You would immediately feel your skin kind of velvety when you have this, use this as a shower gel or a bath gel. So yes, this is good. And pairing that is also the Derma Bijou Velvet Toner. I like the fact that these come in pairs, because products that you use in pairs, like together, same brand, they tend to work very fast. They tend to work faster. Also a, what do you call this one? Velvet Cream by the same company, Derma Bijou by Liu and Lei. So this is there, as well as Velvet Essence. And you know what, guys, these products, they all smell very good. They smell so good. There's some skincare that are kind of like odorless. They don't have any smell or fragrance to them, but this one smells really nice. And next is also this Dark Spot Daily Brightening Serum by McGregor as well. So this is small but mighty. It helps with spots, dark spots, and you know, when you have acne and it's gone and then it leaves you with autograph, this really helps with cleansing those. So this is very good for dark spot and brightening. It contains arbutin, niacinamide, tranexamic acid, and bisabolol. So yeah, these are the active ingredients for this product. All right, another one is AC Gel Ribbon Cell. It's also a Korean skincare. Everything I'm listing here is Korean skincare, so I don't need to keep announcing that. And this one is Intensive Acne Prone Care Program. So if you have an acne prone skin, this is for you. I don't have an acne prone skin, thanks to God. I don't really break out easily, but I still have this in my stash just in case. Sometimes hormonal change and all of that could cause breakouts. So yes, this is in my routine. Sunscreen. When you're taking your bag, taking your phone, you should also go out with sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important, and this is going to be in my routine even in 2026, even in this year 2026. So it's multi sun cream by McGregor, brightening, anti-wrinkle, and no white cast. And another skincare, another sun cream I also have is this one. Actually, my friend sent me this from Korea. She brought this from Korea for me, and it's an all-day sun cream. I haven't used it yet, so this is it. Next in my stash is this all-in-one brightening cream. It's still a McGregor product. If you just think maybe I'm a McGregor ambassador or influencer. Anyways, this is what I have. So this is a all-in-one brightening cream, and this is really powerful. really powerful. And just to take you back, right, this is also good for knuckles, elbows, underarms, inner thighs. If you happen to have those spots dark, this also helps. And as well as this one too, this was presented by the manufacturers, right? So this is a very active cream, diminishes dark spots, skin brightness, smoothing your skin, and controls oil and redness. It has azelaic acid, niacinamide, tranexamic acid, and alpha-arbutin. This is in my stash. Hydration is key. So I have Real Nature sheet mask, Nature Republic. This is avocado. My friend also sent me this from Korea. She brought this from Korea for me. And another version is the chamomile sheet mask. So I've got two variants, avocado and chamomile. Also have some sheet masks from McGregor. Like I have a bunch of them. So I'm about to become Gloria in 2026. Moving on is this pair. This pair is Docto from Round Lab. And this one is the Round Lab lotion. I usually use this just all over my body, not necessarily for my face. I just use this for my body. It doesn't really have a fragrance. It's kind of like odorless, very, very mild, and it's lightweight. So it's very good for our weather too, that is hot and humid. So Round Lab Docto lotion. And also this is the toner, Round Lab toner. So for this, I don't use this on my face. I use this more like on my neck and my chest areas. So I just use this one for neck and chest area. So these two, I love it when they come in pairs. I have a box that I haven't even opened yet. So we continue from where we stopped in 2026. So Atomy is another Korean skincare that I really love. And this one is the eye cream. Yes. I haven't used it yet, but this is what I'm going to be using. So yeah, and it's lightweight, very lightweight. So this is from Atomy Skincare System, the famous Unfading Beauty, Unfading Reputation eye cream. Next is an essence, still from Atomy. Right, so this is the Skincare System, the Fame essence. And it smells so good. They smell very good. Very, very good. It smells really nice. I don't know if I want to eat this, maybe I want to rub them on my skin. Anyways, I love this. And next is the toner. Toner is very, very important. Yeah? They said the tone for your skin tone. Ah! Clock it. Yeah, so this is the toner and it also smells really good. So these are all of the skincare products that I will be using in 2026. I'm certain that more will come on as the year goes, but for starters, this is what I have. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section and I will do my best to respond. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Let's go glow.